welcome to my kitchen. I make new videos every Monday, and today we're working on Palmiers, which is a cinnamon sugar puff pastry, and the recipe will be linked in the description box below. What you want to do is go ahead and work with your cinnamon sugar mix, which is a combination of granulated sugar and cinnamon, and go ahead and give that a good stir. This recipe is popular in bakeries, specifically in France, but is definitely popular here in the States as well. It's just typically made with just sugar, but I added some cinnamon sugar to this, and it gets caramelized in the oven. It's absolutely delicious, and your kitchen will smell divine. Working with cold puff pastry, go ahead and fold it down and definitely work with your floured surface. Give that just a nice little push. You don't want to make it any larger than it is. Just give it a nice little push, and then brush it with flavorless oil. I used vegetable oil here, but you could use whatever your favorites are. Give it a nice brush. I'm working with 2 puff pastry sheets here, and this will give it that nice caramelization that we're looking for. Brush it all the way through, and then next you want to sprinkle that cinnamon sugar evenly all over. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 Celsius, and continue to spread your cinnamon sugar. This is, I think maybe like a 4-ingredient recipe: puff pastry, oil, cinnamon, and sugar. And I love puff pastry because you could really stuff it with anything you like, and it's just absolutely delightful. I have a Nutella recipe I'm going to show you in just a few minutes here. Continue to spread your cinnamon sugar all over, and then what you want to do is go ahead and start working on the fold. I call this a book fold. Book fold it one time and then fold it twice. So how you do that is you just grab the other end and then bring it forward. See how soft the puff pastry has gotten now. It's kind of warm. You want to place it into a rack and then just go ahead and chill it in the refrigerator to get firm, because you want to slice it while it's firm. And I measure 1/2 inch along both sheets, and then I go ahead and slice it working with really super cold pastry. That's the key to this recipe. Cold pastry while you're slicing it to get those firm, nice cuts, and also cold pastry before you place it into the oven, because then it just puffs and it's just gets that flaky texture that we love so much about puff pastry. I highly recommend greasing a lined baking sheet. Sometimes we think, putting parchment paper will be enough. Not for this recipe. Trust me on this, because these will stick and will make a big mess. So line it and grease it. Bake it for about 25 minutes in that 400-degree oven, and there you have it. Like I said, I have the Nutella twist recipe, puff pastry, Nutella, that's all it is. Twist it. It's delightful. I'll go ahead and link it in the top here. Cool and remove with a spatula. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. New video next week, and don't forget to like and subscribe.